Chapter name Environment and Health, and the topic name is Medical Entomology. A study of arthropods of medical importance is known as medical entomology. Arthropods of medical importance class Insecta includes mosquitoes, flies, human lice, fleas, and reeded bugs. Class Arachnida consists of ticks and mites, and class Crustacea includes cyclops. Now, distinctive characters of arthropods of medical importance. On the basis of body division, Insecta contains head, thorax, and abdomen. Arachnida consists of cephalothorax and abdomen, but there is no division of abdomen in some cases. Crustacea consist of cephalothorax and abdomen. On the basis of legs, Insecta consist of 3 pairs of legs, Arachnida consist of 4 pairs of legs, and Crustacea consist of 5 pairs of legs. On the basis of antenna, Insecta contain 1 pair, Arachnida contain none, and Crustacea consist of 2 pairs of antennas. On the basis of wings, Insecta consist of 1 or 2 pairs, some are wingless. Arachnida consist no wings, and Crustacea also doesn't have any wings. Now, where found? Insectas and arachnidas are found on land, whereas Crustacea is found in water. Now, transmission of disease. Disease are transmitted by 3 means. First, direct contact. Second, mechanical transmission. And the third one is biological transmission. First, direct contact. In direct contact, the disease is directly transferred from one man to another man through close contact, example, scabies and pediculosis. In mechanical transmission, transmission of diarrhea, dysentery, typhoid, food poisoning, and trachoma by the houseflies. In this, the disease agent is transmitted mechanical by the arthropod. Third one is biological transmission. In biological transmission, disease agent multiplies or undergoes some developmental change with or without multiplication in the arthropod host. Now, there are few definitions of some of the common terms. First is vector. Vector, which transmits infection by inoculation into or through the skin or mucous membrane by biting or by deposition of infective materials on the skin or on food or other objects. Second is extensive incubation period. It is the period of time necessary for the development of the disease agent in the arthropod host. Third is definitive host. It is the host in which the sexual cycle of the agent occurs. Fourth is intermediate host. It is the host in which the asexual cycle of the agent occurs. Fifth one is infestation. The lodgement, development and reproduction of arthropods on the surface of body or in the clothing. Now, principles of arthropod control. First is environmental control. Second is elimination of breeding places. Third is filling and drainage operation. Fourth is careful planned water management. Fifth, provision of piped water supply. Sixth, proper disposal of refuse and other waste. Seventh, cleanliness in and around houses. The next topic is mosquitoes. Mosquitoes in India which are related to disease transmission are the Anopheles, Culex, Aedes and Mansonia. Life cycle of mosquitoes. A normal life cycle of mosquitoes complete in 10 to 12 days. An adult mosquito first gives eggs which are black and oval in shape. laid singly above water surfaces of containers without float, and the viability of the mosquito egg is about 6 months to 1 year due to the presence of chorion. Now the egg is then changes to larva within 2 to 3 days. Now the larva is a feeding stage. It breeds in clean and non-polluted water. It is short and stout siphon with one pair of hair tuft. It rests at an angle to the water surface. After larval stage, it changes to pupa within 6 to 8 days, and the pupa stage then changes to adult emerges within 1 to 2 days. Now the features of pupa are: it is non-feeding stage. Breeding trumpet is long, cylinder with narrow opening, and the adult emerges, which is formed from pupa, is then converted to adult. The features of adult is maxillary pulp shorter than proboscis, wings uniformly grayish black, body and legs are black with distinct white patches throughout, and the thorax has marking. Now, the three species of the mosquitoes, that is Anopheles, Aedes, and Culex, are here compared. First point, Anopheles eggs are laid singly on the water surface, possesses floats. Second, all Aedes lay their eggs singly on the ground at or above the waterline, never possesses floats. Third, Culex eggs are deposited in rafts of 100 or above. Fourth, Anopheline larval never have a siphon, lie parallel to the water surface. Fifth, Culicini. All larvae have a short or long siphon, subtend an angle from the water surface. Sixth, Anophelines rest in a position where their head, thorax, and abdomen are in a straight line, usually at an angle of 40 to 90 degree, whereas the culicins rest in a position almost parallel to the surface. Habits of mosquitoes. Feeding habits. Males never bite. Females, on the contrary, are hematophagous. They require a blood meal once in 2 to 3 days for the development of eggs. Next, time of biting. Evening or in the early part of night. Next, resting habits. Rest indoors, endophilia, and some outdoors, exophilia. Also, they rest in dark corners of the houses, upper part of the walls, behind pictures, and under furniture, vegetation, shrubs, trees, holes, cattle sheds, and wells, etc. These all are the resting habitats of the mosquito. Breeding habits. Anopheles prefer clean water for breeding. Culex prefer dirty and polluted water. Aedes prefer artificial collection of water. Hibernation. Hibernate in the adult stage. Dispersal. Do not generally fly far from the place where they breed. Lifespan. Normal lifespan of mosquitoes varies from 8 to 34 days. Mosquitoes borne disease. Anopheles, malaria, filaria. Culex, Bancroftian filariasis, viral arthritis, and JE. Aedes mosquitoes, yellow fever, dengue, DHF, chikungunya. Mensonites, Brugian filariasis. Control of mosquitoes. Do not allow water to stagnate near the house. Sprinkle oil on the surface of water. C. Some kind of fish like gambusa, barbados, lobster are grown in water which feed on mosquito. D. Houses and cattle should be sprayed with insecticides like DDT, BHC. E. Mosquito repellent should be used. F. Mosquito nets should be used. G. Doors, windows, and ventilators should be fitted with fine gauze. H. Regular cleaning of houses and unused articles should be done.